In this guide, you'll learn how students can try to get Claude AI Pro for free through Students program. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your preferred browser, then type in Education Claude AI, then navigate to this one website, Education Claude by Anthropic. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now go ahead and click on the option Contact Our Education Team. After clicking it, you will see two available programs you can apply for. The first one is Apply to be Claude Campus Ambassador and the second one is Sign Up to be a Student Builder. You can choose either program depending on what interests you. Next, you will need to fill out the application form with details such as your first name, last name, school email address, phone number, job title, institution name, and other requested information. Make sure to double check that applications are open in your country before submitting the form. If one of the program is closed in a region, you can try applying for the other one instead. After completing the form and submitting your application, you'll need to wait for a response from the team through email. If your application is accepted, they may provide you with access or benefit related to the program, which can include tools like Claude AI. So that's a wrap for this video. That's how students can apply for programs that may give access to Claude AI Pro. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.